How to pay with Cash App on phone in store. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can pay with Cash App on phone store or on a store. So in order to do this procedure, first thing first, all you have to do is make sure that you have enough funds and also make sure that the store accepts Cash App or not. Now to begin with, all you have to do is check your internet connection and then open up your Cash App account. So once you open up your Cash App account, all you have to do is just, if you're on a store that supports QR code payments, you can follow this step. That is, you need to open up your Cash App, tap on the QR code logo located in the top left hand side corner. After that, tap on the scan to scan the QR code provided by the store, and then enter the exact amount, how much you need to pay. And after that, for the confirmation, make sure to enter in your PIN or your authentication, and then you've successfully confirmed your payments. So that's basically how you can pay with Cash App on phone store or in a store. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.